Most people get hotel rewards cards wrong by assuming they are only useful if you travel constantly, but the Hilton Honors American Express Pass card offers strong perks that can benefit even occasional travelers. Today, I'm breaking down everything you need to know before applying. The card earns 12 points per dollar spent at Hilton properties, 6 points on groceries, restaurants, and gas, and 3 points on all other purchases. The surprising truth is how quickly these points can add up. Most people get this wrong by underestimating the value of Hilton Honors points, which can cover free nights, room upgrades, and even experiences. The card comes with complimentary Hilton Honors Gold status, giving perks like room upgrades, free breakfast, and bonus points. Annual fee is reasonable compared to the travel benefits you get, and Amex offers like purchase protection, extended warranty, and travel insurance add extra value. Redemption is flexible. You can use points for Hilton stays worldwide, convert points into airline miles, or even redeem for gift cards. The app makes tracking points and booking rewards simple, and customer service is responsive if you need help. One limitation is that this card is best suited for Hilton loyalists if you rarely stay at Hilton hotels. Other travel cards might provide better value. However, for frequent or occasional Hilton travelers, the benefits outweigh the cost. In conclusion, the Hilton Honors American Express Pass card is perfect for those who want to earn points quickly, enjoy hotel perks, and get more value from their stays. Its combination of high rewards and added protections makes it one of the top hotel cards in Canada. Subscribe for more honest credit card reviews to help you choose the best card before applying.